Hey y'all, welcome back. Happy Saturday. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do beauty, lifestyle, home decor, fashion, accessories. We do a little bit of everything. We do sneak peek videos, live streams, and giveaways. And we also do Jeffree Star mystery boxes. Yes, you guys, I am so excited because we have our Jeffree Star Supreme Valentine's Day mystery box. I have never been more excited, I think, when something arrived at my door in a beautiful pink package. So we are going to be getting into this to see exactly what I got in my mystery box. Now, I did do a spoiler video, so I do kind of have an idea of what could be in here, but we all know Jeffree can do some variations, so we will see exactly what is in here. I do also have the premium box coming. I believe it's going to be here on Monday, so look for that unboxing as well. And if you are new, again, welcome. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. Like I said, it is always a great time here. I may be a little bit of a hot mess sometimes, but that's life. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like I said, and you're in for a ride. All right, so let's go ahead and get in here and see. I did go ahead and cut it because I don't know about you guys, but sometimes these boxes are a little confusing on how to actually open. Maybe that's just me. So I did cut it and figured out how to open it so we could go ahead and dive in. I am so excited. I can't wait to see exactly what is in here. And for those of you that do not know, this was the larger box of the mystery boxes. This was $145, and I guarantee it's going to be worth every penny. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. So, when we open it, this is what we see. Woo. All right, so I can see here we got one of the Jeffree Star. You can see right there, my lights are kind of reflecting. This is one of the like side bag messenger bags that he did, but this color was not one of the ones available for sale. So this would be an exclusive item to this box. This is like a really pretty burgundy Merlot color. I think it's really cute. And then it does have Jeffree Star all in burgundy on the strap. So there's item number one. All right. And then, let's see, we've got some tissue paper. We have one of his velour liquid lip scrubs right here. And this is in lemon icebox cookies. Oh, I bet that tastes and smells fantastic. Yeah. Okay. Then we have got something right here wrapped up. All right, we got the Brain Freeze Skin Frost Pro palette. That packaging, you guys, is stunning. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. Ah, I do not have this. Oh my gosh. It does have a mirror, but obviously it's covered. These colors. You guys, look at that. Even some of these, like, because I have such a light skin tone, would be great as like an eyeshadow topper. So we have Cold Shoulder, Gold Breaker, Cocky, Statuesque, Frozen Fruit, and Freeze Tag. Oh, love it. Oh, I'm so excited for this eyeshadow, what is this? Highlighter palette. So yay. Then we have, oh, this is cute. Okay, so he had one of the items that he did have available as an exclusive for the Valentine's launch was a black hoodie with little like conversation hearts. Well, we didn't get that, but we got this cute tote bag right here. And it says, "Can't relate, I'm gagging. Hi, how are ya? Jeffree Star approved, iconic," and then it does have his logo. So we have this guy as well. Gotta love a good tote bag. and it's like a canvasy material. All right, and then we have got, let's see, we have got a velour liquid lip, and this is in the color Restraints. So let's open it from the bottom so we can actually see. Oh, now that's different. It's like a gunmetal metallic-y color. That could be great because you can use these. These are eye safe, so you could use this like as a liquid shadow, or if you want to use it on your lips, by all means. I'm not that brave, but so we got that guy. And then we got, oh, we got Mistletoe from the holiday collection. So this is a gorgeous, because I have seen this. This is a gorgeous green. I mean, like a true, just gorgeous green. Again, if you're brave enough to wear this on your lips, by all means, more power to you. Or you could use this as an eye topper. Oh my gosh. So pretty. And then looks like we have one more, and this is in the shade Romeo. How perfect is that for a Valentine's box? Oh, y'all. Oh, I love it. Look at that. Springtime. Yes, ma'am. That is such a beautiful color, and I do not have this, so yay. Oh, yay, yay, yay. All right, and then we have a gloss, the gloss, and this is in the shade Ice Cold. Oh my goodness, this is like literally the perfect gloss. It's like an iridescent white, sparkly, gorgeous. Love this so, so much. Oh, yes, Jeffree, yes. Oh, all right, and then it looks like we have an exclusive gloss. Yay! So this is for the Valentine's collection, and this is in Soft Core Sparkle. All right, so let's get this one out. All right. Oh, y'all, this is so pretty. It's like a purple. Oh, that's really, really pretty. You can see better there. Oh, Jeffree, what are you doing? And then we have a pink Jeffree Star pop socket. They have returned. I do actually think it's a really cute shade of pink, obviously appropriate for Valentine's Day. So there is that guy. And then for me, I'm so happy to see this blue tissue paper because I know what is in here and I am so excited. So in here, we have the Blue Blood palette, y'all. Oh my gosh. I recently just got the blood sugar palette because I was so afraid, honestly, with the reds. They kind of intimidated me, but 2020 is my year to expand with color, and to now have this to add, oh my gosh, I cannot. The packaging on this, you guys, is just, I know you've seen it 100 times, but it's the first time I've actually seen it in person, so I am like, oh my goodness. Y'all, look at this. Like this teal. Oh, I cannot. I love that there are some like perfect transition shades. Oh, I cannot wait. And obviously a really large mirror. This is going to be my new best friend. I can feel it. Oh. All right, and then we have one more item in here. And it is obviously a mirror because that's what comes in these boxes. And I'm guessing it's gonna be one of his new release Jeffree Star approved mirrors, which is really awesome. All right, so I'm gonna open this, but I can see that it says baby pink chrome, and we're gonna open it and we're gonna take a look, but I purchased the pink chrome Jeffree Star approved mirror separately. So we're gonna take a look and see if it is exactly the same. Oh, it is not. It is not. What? Okay. So here is this one in the mystery box, right? It's like it says baby pink. That's not baby pink. This is baby pink. So they are definitely different. That is awesome. Oh my goodness. And isn't it gorgeous? It is just like stunning. Obviously it is just like a round mirror. His mirrors are great. Like the quality of the actual mirror itself, seriously, is fantastic. And I know it's just a mirror, but y'all. Okay. So that is everything that came in the Jeffree Star Supreme Valentine's Day mystery box. I think this was fantastic. I think it was worth every single penny. And I am now very excited to tell you guys, what you obviously saw in the thumbnail, I'm gonna do a giveaway because I love giving back to you guys. You guys are always fantastic and so supportive, and we have such an amazing community here on our channel, and I want to share. So I know that this box sold out super fast, and not everyone was able to get it. So here's your chance to get some of the products from the Supreme Valentine's mystery box. And the first item is going to be this mirror, because I have the other one. I don't need two that are so similar. So this will be in today's giveaway. All right. The pop socket will be in the giveaway. I'm going to put the exclusive gloss in Soft Core Sparkle, the purple gloss. That's going to be in today's giveaway. The two velour liquid lips I'm going to put in here are Restraints. I just realized why I bet he put this in here. I feel like some 50 Shades of Grey stuff was happening here. That's my favorite movie, or my favorite movies. But that is going to go in here as well, along with Mistletoe. And I'm going to give you guys, or one of you guys, the tote bag as well, the nice canvas tote. So yay. And I'm also going to throw in the velour liquid lip scrub. Again, this is in Lemon Icebox Cookies. The reason I'm putting this in here is because I do love lip scrubs, but I just recently fell in love with lip scrubs from Treat Beauty that are kind of like a chapstick, so you don't have to dig your finger in, even though his formula is fantastic. So whoever wins will love this if you have not tried it yet. So that is also going to be in here, as well as the messenger bag. And again, this is exclusive to this box. This color, this burgundy Merlot color, was not an option to purchase. So that will be in here as well. Now, that's not everything that's going to be in here. That's the best part. Like I said, I am getting the premium box on Monday. So then from what I'm thinking, there will be 1 or 2 items that will be going into this giveaway from the premium box as well. So make sure you check out that video when I post it on Monday and see what else is added to this box for the Jeffree Star giveaway, the Valentine's giveaway I'm gonna do from these mystery boxes. So what do you need to do to be entered into the giveaway? Super simple. You must be subscribed to my channel. That is why I do my giveaways. I love giving back to you guys and showing my appreciation for your support and helping our channel to grow. So you must be subscribed. Please do give this video a thumbs up. I will ask that you do leave 1 comment down below with the words "enter me." And to make it fair, just 1 comment per person. Also, please be over the age of 18 or have a parent's permission. You must have a U.S. shipping address. Now, you can live outside of the U.S. as long as I have a U.S. shipping address to send this to. And YouTube is not in any way responsible for this giveaway. Obviously, I purchased this on my own. I am hosting this giveaway on my own. So I hope that you guys are super pumped and excited to potentially win what is in this box, plus one or two other goodies that will be from the premium box. And I'm going to run the giveaway through February 28th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then on February 29th, since it's a leap year, it's a special day. We don't get it that often. That is the day that I will use a random comment picker. And again, please make sure your comment has Enter Me in it, because in the comment picker, I will put Enter Me. So it will only pull comments that have that in there. And I will announce the winner. I will pin their comment, respond to it, letting them know that they have won. They will have 48 hours to get back with me and confirm their win. Otherwise, I will move on and select another winner and repeat the process. So, super simple. Again, just to recap, subscribe, like, leave a comment down below with the word Enter Me. 1 entry per person. Must be over the age of 18. U.S. shipping address. Again, this is going to run through February 28th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then on February 29th, I will respond to the winner's comment. So I hope you guys are super excited. I am excited to play with just the few products that I actually kept, because to me, they're worth it. The Blue Blood palette, I'm so excited I can't talk. The Blue Blood palette, the highlighting palette, the gloss, I'm just so excited. So I hope you guys are pumped for everything else. And I can't wait to see exactly what we get in the premium and what gets added to this giveaway. So like I said, that will be on Monday. I hope you guys have a fantastic Saturday and a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.